Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make 12 volt lithium ion rechargeable battery. That is, I will use 3 number of lithium ion battery of 3.7 volt each. It will be connected in series to make 12 volt output. The system will be connected with battery management system. So we will not waste your time. Let's start the project. So friend, here is the connection diagram of BMS, that is battery management system. You can see it here. The negative terminal of one battery will be connected with 0 volt. The positive terminal will be connected with 4.2 volt, 8.4 volt and 12.6 volt. You can see it here. So let's have a look. The circuit is quite simple. You can see it here. So friends, you can see all the battery, that is 18650 lithium ion 3.7 volt battery will be connected like this, and the total output will come out from this terminal. That is the main, this is the mainly charging port. Along with that, this is also the output of the battery. So let's start the project. Friends, you must require this following material: battery holder, a BMS 12 volt battery management system, and 6 number of these batteries. So it will be fixed like this way, and after fixing, this type of unit will be created. So you can see it here. This wire is connected with negative and this connected is positive. So negative, positive, negative. So as per the circuit drawing shown, you have to connect it. So the total connection is like this way and is in series connection. So this end will be connected with the positive, this negative again will be connected with positive, and it will be completed like this way. So now you have to install the BMS in this position like this way. Let's have a zoom look. This is the main input and output of 12 volt, positive and negative. So friend, the connection part is completed. You can see it here. So now I will check the voltage output. You can see the main output will be 12.16 volt. You can see it here. Now let's check the 12 volt LED will glow or not. So you can see it here, the 12 volt LED is glowing. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Please help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.